Show you how to factory reset your JBL TUNE 510BT. Okay, very simple here. So first thing is we're going to go to the right side here where all the buttons are, and here's the power button down here. So first thing is let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm just going to press and hold this power button for about 5 seconds. Just hold it about 5. Just wait until the light turns on. There it is. You can go ahead and let go right there. So it's on right now. Now you can see mine has a solid blue light. Okay, that's because it's connected to a device somewhere. Doesn't matter if it's a blinking blue light or it's a solid blue light. Okay, so from here, now what we want to do is press and hold for 10 seconds the power button. Okay, and it's going to turn it off. Okay, so let's do it together. Power button's here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding for 10 seconds. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go ahead and let go. Now it's off. Now we're going to press and hold again for 10 seconds to turn it back on. All right, so here's the power button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold for 10 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go ahead and let go. And now it should continue to blink blue to be in pairing mode. So we just factory reset this. Hopefully that helped out. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.